In this video, we'll cover how to set up automatic or scheduled file transfers through Cybersana. First, we'll navigate to the orchestration tile, click Schedule, File Transfers, and then New Scheduled File Transfer. Then we'll enter a name for our transfer, click on Scheduled Start Time to specify a date and time for it to happen, and then we can choose whether we want this transfer to recur automatically. In this case, we'll choose No and just make it a single event. Next, we'll select our target devices for the transfer, which will be all of our Gaia devices. And lastly, we'll choose the specific file or files we want to transfer and click Save Schedule. Then, as you can see, our file transfer has been scheduled for our elected date and time. And that's automatic file transfer with Cybersana.